this is Martin with Maya Parts, and today we're going to be going over the Matrix Incell for iPhone 7 Plus and 8 Plus. These screens are a terrific alternative to our AA line, which is the recycled original iPhone screens. They offer comparable quality and features to recycled screens, but at a much lower price point. These Incell displays have an impressive list of features, including a high brightness ESR backlight, True Tone support, a 360-degree view polarizer, oleophobic screen coating, and a pre-installed backplate. The screen has exceptional brightness thanks to its high-quality enhanced specular reflector, or ESR. On the iPhone 8 Plus, the Matrix Incell screen has a maximum brightness of around 550 nits, which is pretty close to the OEM standard of 530 nits for this model. And as you can see on the 7 Plus, the maximum brightness is around 560 nits, which is pretty close to the OEM's 570. And usually when it comes to aftermarket screens, you want to be as close to the OEM value as possible. So in this case, the maximum brightness of 550 and 560 nits is actually pretty good. It's really close to the OEM's maximum brightness, and that's exactly what you want. Okay, so here we have a comparison between the Matrix Incell for the 7 Plus and then a OEM 7 Plus on this side. Just looking at them with the naked eye, I really can't tell much of a difference between these two. These are two different versions of iOS, so if you notice a bit more of a darker hue here at the bottom of this one, that's strictly due to the different UI layout from this version of iOS. And here we have something that's a bit warmer in tone. And as you can see with the Matrix Incell, again, the colors are virtually identical. Again, the Matrix tends to lean a little brighter, but not by much. Very similar colors, even in the blue side of the spectrum, which is a little hard to see because the UI is darkening it here. But the colors are very accurate and on par with what you find on the OEM. Touch response is excellent on these screens. It's fast, accurate, and has no problems, even though I'm currently wearing nitrile gloves and the screens still have the screen protectors on. For all intents and purposes, this is on par with a OEM screen. This glass won't slow you down either, as it has an oleophobic coating on the surface. This coating is specially designed to resist fingerprints and moisture, and it's really similar to what you find on an original iPhone. Now these features continue underneath the glass. Matrix Incell screens feature a 360-degree polarizer built into the display. Now this is perfect for anybody who likes to wear sunglasses or works under any kind of specialized glass or lighting. Now because of the polarizer, you won't be suffering any screen blackout, which sometimes is prevalent on lower quality screens. If you're concerned about thickness and fit, you'll be happy to hear that these Matrix Incell displays exactly match their OEM counterparts. Now both the 7 Plus and 8 Plus screens are about 2.6 millimeters. And for comparison, we have our OEM 7 Plus screen. As you can see here, it measures at about 2.6 millimeters at the thinnest. And that, of course, is with the backplate pre-installed. And as mentioned, it's roughly the same with the 8 Plus as well. As you can see, our Matrix Incell displays are a terrific option for 7 Plus and 8 Plus repairs. They bring a superior set of features, but for much less than a recycled display. To order some for your shop, go ahead and head over to our website at mayacellularparts.com. There you can check out these as well as all the other great products that we have for sale. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments, or you can email us at sales@mayacellularparts.com. And as always, thanks for watching.